Hi friends, I'm Regina from Leelalicious, and today I'm going to share with you my foolproof way of making perfect instant pot brown rice every single time. This is just one of many favorites that I have collected in my Instant Pot e-cookbook. Find the link in the description below. It features all of the best and most popular Instant Pot recipes from my blog Leelalicious, as well as completely new recipes that you will love as well. And included with every single recipe is a detailed video tutorial guiding you through the entire cooking process. Alright, to get started on cooking brown rice in the Instant Pot, press the saute button. While the pressure cooker is preheating, let's get our other ingredients ready. We need half a tablespoon of butter or oil for 2 cups of brown rice, and then 2 cups of water. But I actually highly recommend using a broth or a bouillon cube to get a head start on flavoring your rice. Add the oil or butter to the preheated pressure cooker. Let it melt or spread it around so it covers the entire bottom, and then add the brown rice. Stir the rice to coat it with the oil or butter and let it toast for about a minute or so. I never rinse my rice because I've found that just lightly toasting the uncooked rice results in perfectly fluffy rice without any mushiness or clumpy kernels. But if you prefer rinsing your rice, you can certainly do that. The little bit of extra water you have does not affect the final result. Now add your broth or water and bouillon cube and close the pressure cooker lid. Turn the pressure valve to sealing position, and now let's cook the brown rice on high pressure for 23 minutes. Increase the time to 28 minutes if you are on high altitude like me. You may have to adjust the timing to match your altitude level slightly, but it will be somewhere in this range of 23 to 28. Once the cook time is up, quick release the pressure and open the lid. Use a wooden spoon or rice paddle to fluff up the rice, and you are ready to enjoy. Here we go, a bowl of perfectly cooked brown rice. All the grains are separated, slightly chewy, distinctive of brown rice, not crunchy, not clumpy or mushy, and not a single grain stuck to the bottom. In our house, we love to serve brown rice with Thai coconut curries or Indian style curries, as well as stir fries, and whenever we have leftover brown rice, it makes a great breakfast porridge. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and cooking along with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment letting me know what you're going to serve with your brown rice. And also please share this channel with your friends. That is the one thing that really helps my channel out so much. Also be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.